A lot of people have been asking me over the past couple of days who I will be boxing. The answer for that... Fuck! What am I supposed to... I was supposed to say... A lot of people have been asking me who I wanted to... Fuck! A lot of people wanted to know who I was going to be fighting. A lot of people wanted me to know. No, not me to know. I don't care who knows. Fuck, okay. We're going to cut that out. A lot of people have been wanting to know who I will be fighting for the YouTube boxing series. And I will be fighting. I am challenging AIRSOFT FATTY and BMXNNY. Those two, I know they'll see that. I know they'll see this, and I know they'll be scared by my pure impeccable strength and willpower. So I'm talking to you, AIRSOFT FATTY and BMXNNY. You don't want to touch none of these guns, baby. Yeah, alright, baby. Yeah. But seriously, you don't want to fuck with me, or else you're gonna get the 6-inch fade, baby. Meet you and think, you fucking idiot. Meet you in the ring on October 7th, bitch. Okay, I thought that was pretty good.